Hi everyone! Great evening! I'm so excited because we have the new Mary Kay products right now and sobra akong excited to share with you ladies itong napakagandang bagong products ng Mary Kay. So who's excited to try the 2-step hydrating sheet mask? We also have the foaming bubble purifying sheet mask and of course the 2 new Mary Kay CSR lip gloss. Sobrang exciting ng ating mga bagong products. So before we get started, I would like to say hi to all our live viewers. Hi, good evening to everyone. If this is the first time that you're watching, I'm Jem Abante Andres, a Mary Kay Sales Director and also a makeup artist, and I'm also handling my YouTube channel. Hi, great evening. Hi, Miss Venus. Wow, we have the first viewer right now. So if ever you're new here, feel free to chat in the chat box and you may share this video as well. Hi! So as I start for today's unboxing, yan, share muna natin ating video kasi sobrang excited ako sa ating bagong product. So sinong excited? Type mo nga kung saan ka excited. Are you excited for the purifying sheet mask or are you excited for the hydrating sheet mask? Diba? Bago tayo mag-start, kailangan alam mo muna din kung ano yung skin type mo. Because this product is very particular with your skin concern as well. So, hi again, good evening sa mga humahabol na viewers natin. Hi also to Miss Cheryl. Yan, sa ating Team North Luzon. So, before you start using these two products, kailangan alam mo kung ano ang skin type mo. Because it's really important na dapat ma-address yung major skin concern mo before you start using this, okay? So, first, yan, i-share lang natin itong video na to para mas marami pa tayong matap. Sige nga, type nyo dito sa chat box natin, alin sa dalawang sheet mask ang gusto mong subukan. Ayan, type nyo nga. Sinong gusto mag-try ng purifying sheet mask? Sinong gusto mag-try ng ating hydrating sheet mask? Okay, share lang natin. So, first muna, before you start using the purifying sheet mask, kailangan alam mo nga yung skin type mo. So, kung ikaw ay isa sa mga combination to oily skin, meaning may mga problems ka pa din when it comes to yan, acne, pimples, diba? Acne prone ka, start using this purifying sheet mask, okay? But if you are those people naman, kailangan ng hydration because kailangan mo ng anti-aging as well, you start using this, yan, 2-step hydrating sheet mask, okay? So, maganda naman, yes, actually, I'm also one of those people na, sige, pwede bang i-try din natin? But for our customers as well, try nyo munang i-ask, alin ba dito sa dalawa ang kailangan muna nila because we must answer or we must address first the skin concern. Okay? Ayan. So, 2 things pa na gusto ko pang i-share bago ko i-unbox ang dalawang sheet mask na to. Ito pong ating, ayan, CSR lip gloss ng Mary Kay. So, meron tayong bagong lip gloss ng Mary Kay. We have the Mary Kay CSR lip gloss. So, unlike the typical lip gloss that we have before, ngayon, ang meron na po sa atin ay meron tayong dalawang additional shades. So, we have the Confident Pink and we also have the Hopeful Lilac as well. Okay. So, ito muna yung unbox ko. Pakita ko lang din sa inyo. Okay? So, itong Hopeful Lilac, the color is, yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Taran! Wow! Ang ganda din ng kulay. Diba? This is so beautiful. This is your Hopeful Lilac. So, when we say CSR, it means nga, Community Social Responsibility. For every purchase po na gagawin nyo, we're actually going to give donation. Okay? Hindi lamang po dun sa mga yan nasa lanta. Actually, we're particular with the COVID patients right now. Yun yung CSR ngayon ng Mary Kay. So, 25 will be donated to it. So, every time you buy the CSR lip gloss. So, ito yung Hopeful Lilac. Then, the other one naman, share ko din sa inyo, ladies. Okay. We also have the Confident Pink. Okay. For the Confident Pink naman, Wow, ang ganda din ng color. Ladies, ito yung confident pink, okay? So, again, this is the lilac, hopeful lilac and confident pink. So, sino dito ang team lilac and team pink? Sige nga, try nyo nga na, ayan, i-type dyan sa chat box, alin dito sa dalawa yung gusto nyo. Ang ganda, no? Swatch muna natin. So, pinapa-excite ko muna kayo, pinapadagdag natin yung viewers bago ko i-unbox ang ating mga sheet mask, okay? So, if ever meron ka pang mga guests na gusto mong tag nyo na sila, Ladies and Ever Beauty Consultants, para naman masubaybayan at makita nating unboxing nito. So, we will now try to swatch it. Okay. So, paano natin yan swatch? Start muna tayo sa ating Hopeful Lilac. So, when you say lip gloss in Mary Kay, again, this is very safe. Kahit naman tayo ay and preggy, diba? Ngayon po ay tayo ay mom-to-be na, safe ang Mary Kay Cosmetics. So, this is the lilac. Ayan siya. Ladies, ang favorite ko dito. Ang bango, tsaka very pigmented. Konti lang, oh. Look. Ayan, oh. Konti lang yung nilagay kong yun, ah. Ayan. True. Para daw magandang i-partner ang ang lilac sa razzleberry. True. Okay. Next naman natin, we also have the confident pink. For the confident pink, ito naman siya. Okay, for the confident pink, ladies, so, nakita nyo, mas light pink yung itsura niya. So, between the two, alin yung mas gusto mo? Yung lilac o yung pink? O, diba? So, ang ganda niya kasi, hindi naman siya yung katulad ng iba na pag in-apply mo, sticky masyado. So, we'll try to apply etong, try ko to confident pink. Try ko dito. Kahit naka-red ako. Ayan siya, kahit naka-red lipstick ako, look. Maganda pa din siya. Yan yung confident pink. Okay? Tapos, try natin i-check sa upper lip naman yung hopeful lilac. Okay. Try natin. Sa taas, hopeful lilac. Try natin. So, ladies, you may tag your BCs, your guests as well. Yan, para maka-watch yan sila. And you may share this video sa ating messenger group as well. Ayan naman yung confident, this is the hopeful lilac. Ayan naging itsura niya. So, ladies, makikita natin na mas may purplish nga yung dating nitong hopeful lilac. So, girly talaga yung pink. True. Try ko na lang i-combine. Ayan siya. Nung kinambine ko, diba, maganda pa din na naging dating. So again, ladies, ito yung dalawang bagong product ng Mary Kay. Very important that when you buy these two products, this is actually a limited edition lang. Hindi talaga siya pang matagalan. So make sure that when you buy this, you know that you are also helping the community, okay? It's a CSR lipstick for a limited time only. Okay, so let's get started with our sheet mask na. Sino na ang excited? So, nagpadagdag lang tayo ng mga viewers. Hi, good evening also to my Ninang. Hi, Ninang Joy. Okay. So, start na tayo with our, yung unahin natin. So, again, when we talk about the two products, ito pong purifying sheet mask, foaming bubbles, purifying sheet mask. This is really particular for combination to oily skin. Okay? So, if you're one of those people na combi to oily skin, may acne problem ka pa, you go for the purifying sheet mask. If you're those people naman na kailangan mo ng hydration, anti-aging, go for this one. Okay? The two-step sheet mask. So, i-unbox na natin para makita nyo. Again, ilan ang laman sa isang sheet mask? It comes with 8 sheets. Okay? So, buksan ko na para makita nyo din. Alam nyo ba, excited din akong gamitin to mamaya. Kakarating lang din kasi. So, excited ako na i-try siya. Because, as you can see at the back of the box, nakalagay nga dito, diba? Skin-friendly formula, fluorine compound-free, and even for lactating women, and even for pregnant women, safe na safe to. So, step 1, alam nyo ba, hindi mo na kailangan hila mo. So, meaning you don't have to use the cleanser mismo. Sabi nga ng Sir Gian kanina, you can actually apply the mask itself na as cleansing. But here in the directions, nakalagay din naman, you can do it after cleansing, then apply mask to face. Okay? So, nakalagay din dito, step 2, allow bubbles to form and leave on skin for 15 to 20 minutes. So, pakita ko muna yung itsura niya. Ayan, lalaki din ang box. Gaano ba katagal ito gagamitin, Miss Jem? So, you will leave this for 15 to 20 minutes and 1 to 2 times a week mo lang siya gagamitin. And ilan ang laman? Ay, yung dami. 8 sheets. So, ang dami din nga, di ba? Ayan. So, after ng live ko na to, magvo-vlog na lang din ako as I try this product. So, ito na yung sheet mask for the charcoal. Parang charcoal yung dating niya. So, pakita ko na lang din sa inyo. Ayan siya. So, maganda nga dito, ladies, when you leave on sa face nyo, nagbibigay siya ng, alam mo yan, feeling of actually cleansing it. And sabi nga, may glycerin din siya. So, hindi drying sa face din natin. And sabi nga, it's best to remove gently and rinse with lukewarm water as you use this. So, again, 1 to 2 times a week lamang. So, let's try to open para makita din natin. Yan. Oh, ayan siya. Ayan oh. Yee, nakaka-excite. Naku, after ko na mag-live talaga nito, magmamas na tayo, ladies. Oh, ito nga siya. So, ito na siya. Ayan siya. Yun yung color niya, 'di ba? Color black. So, as in, ano talaga siya? Sheet mask talaga siya. Oh. Pero pinapakita ko lang sa inyo so that you have an idea. But later on, for sure, I'll try this. Ayan siya, oh. Ooh. So again, ililive on mo siya sa face mo for 15 to 20 minutes. Ayan. Ang bango. Parang jelly. Hindi siya jelly actually. It's a sheet. Alam mo yung ano natin sa what do you call this? Yung mismong facial cloth sa Mary Kay, nabasa, ganun siya. So, excited ako i-try to later on. Ayan, ililive on natin yan sa face. And alam nyo ba, ang maganda dito, when you apply it, pag iniwan mo siya sa face mo, you can massage your face din. So, meaning, may additional effect pa siya sa atin when you try to massage your face habang iniwan mo siya. O, di ba? Ang daming uses. Tsaka grabe, ang laki niya na, ladies. Ang daming pang laman. Sobrang sulit. Matagal mo siyang magagamit. Okay. And for the other one, taran! So, this is the hydrating naman. So, Ma'am Jem, ano naman meron sa hydrating? Yan, perfect habang nanonood ng K-drama. So, true. So, sa mga mahilig sa K-drama dyan, yes, pwedeng-pwede nyo yan i-add sa inyong, diba, me time. Ang bango niya. Super. Then some of you would ask, is it different from charcoal mask? Oh, yes. May pagkaiba din siya with charcoal mask natin, pero same din yung goal niya. It's really for those people with combination to oily skin. Yan, minimize din ng pores. So, ito naman yung hydrating sheet mask. O, diba? Ilan ang laman? Actually, yung laki din ito, diba? Ladies, tingnan nyo, oh. Ilan ang laman? 8 din. Ang dami. Super happy with this. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 din ang laman ng isang box. Okay. So, ano meron dito? For the 2-step hydrating sheet mask. Yan. Meron dyan siyang instruction sa likod as well. So, anong meron dito? So, this is really, again, tested for skin irritancy and allergy. Safe din for lactating pregnant women. Safe din po to. So, bakit siya two-step as well? Alam nyo, meron kasi tong clear gel essence filled with skin conditioning. So, kung ikaw ay may problema sa hydration sa skin mo, kailangan mo ng additional hydration, this is good for you. So, ililive on mo din to for 15 to 20 minutes. So, bakit siya two-step? Kasi sabi dito, fold both sides of the mask to the center. Ayan o. Kaya siya may mark. Ayan o. Fold both to the center. And then, ayan. Along with the dotted lines, then hold the folded mask firmly to push the essence chamber up seal. Oh, okay. So, kailangan, yan, ilalagay natin siya. So, maganda dito, because for tonight, I will be trying the charcoal bubble mask muna. And then, sa susunod ko na lang sigurong i-vlog, ito namang hydrating sheet mask. But again, ladies, and for all the viewers po na nakikinig ngayon, this is for moisturize and condition skin. Okay? Yun yung main purpose nito. Okay? Main purpose nito, moisturize and condition your skin. And for the purifying sheet mask, this is for yan, superior, clean, and smoother skin. Particularly, para kanino po ito? Particularly po sa mga oily skin, combination to oily skin. Okay? Yan. So, excited na ako. Sa vlog ko na lang, abangan nyo. Ang gagawin ko, i-apply ko itong dalawang. Actually, unahin ko muna itong foaming bubble and then susunod na lang itong hydrating sheet mask. Again, kailan ito ginagamit? Hindi siya everyday. You will use it every, 1 to 2 times a week lamang, okay? 1 to 2 times a week lang. So, ladies, may isa pa akong papakita lang. Diba? May box pa tayo here. So, yan, mga extra natin. Kumuha na tayo because may mga orders na. We also have the Mary Kay Time Wise Toning Body Lotion. Ayan, sa mga naghahanap nito, finally, meron na tayo. Dumating na din siya. Ulit ang bagong stocks natin. So, para saan tong ating Time Wise Body Lotion? Problema ba ay mga cellulites? Diba? Gusto mo ba maging firm ang iyong braso? Stretch marks ba ang problema mo? Yan, even ang mga tiyan. Gusto ba natin maging sexy lalo? This is really the must-have product for you. We have the Mary Kay Time Wise Body Targeted Action Toning Lotion. Ayan. True, super ganda nito. Kaya nga, nag-out of stock siya nung May. At ngayong June, bumalik na siya. So, nakalagay nga dito, before and after, kung paano talaga yung clinical result niya. Sobrang ganda nito. So, unbox ko lang. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya. Ganda siya kalaki. Okay? So, when you apply this, of course, don't forget, you must target the areas na kailangan mong paliitin. Okay? Saan mo gusto? Dito. Ayan. Di ba minsan ng mga braso? Ano pa? Legs. Ayan. Nakaka-relate tayo. Legs natin. Gusto natin pa sexyin. Dun tayo magta-target. So, you will massage it as well. So, tandaan, this is good for body contouring by toning, firming, and smoothing in just one step. So, by just applying this product, perfect na tong gamitin. Okay? So, ang ganda niya. Meron din siyang lock. Ganito lang din. Pakita ko lang yung tsura niya pag yung mismong lotion. Bango din. Alam nyo, konting-konti lang yung gamit. You don't have to put a lot. Sabi nga dito, it is a mixture of botanicals, antioxidants, and hydration for skin. So, basically, yung mga dry skin nyo na cellulite sa even for stretch marks, this is also good. Kaya nga, even sa mga pregnant na nagka-stretch marks, maganda din to. Ang bango niya. Dito ko lalagay sa braso. Mamaya sa aking legs. Ayan, sunod niyan sa tiyan. Pag nag-apply kayo, ladies, kung paano mo siya gustong mag-firm, okay? Ayan. Ay, grabe, nararamdaman ko. Pumapayat na yung braso natin. Wow! Uy, pumayat ako malahati. Alam nyo, you can read online how amazing this product is. Ang dami talagang kumuha na nito at nag-order kasi this is really good. When po siya ina-apply at how frequent po? Okay, when ina-apply, this product could be applied once a day as well. So after taking a bath, you could apply this. You can do this every day. But don't forget, i-target mo kung ano yung mga areas na kailangan mong lumiit. Okay? So wag kakalimutan niya mga yan. Okay, so may kasamang prayer. So, yan. Habang nag-apply. Ladies, tingnan nyo, alam nyo, nung in-apply ko siya dito, aside sa naramdaman ko nga, may effect na agad na firming, no? Yung hydration, talagang kung isa ka dun sa dry yung areas ng, kunyari, sa arms mo, sa legs mo, ang galing, ang soft niya, sobra. Konti lang nilagay ko nakita nyo, with that pea-size amount, sobrang tipid. Kaya sulit ang ganitong kalaki. Okay, di ba? Pwede daw sa double chin. Natawa ako sa double chin. Actually, for double chin, you can have siguro yung, na lang natin, for our face products. Okay, yung mga anti-aging natin, lalo yung Voluferm. So, hi also to Tita Marita. Great evening po. Yan, tita, kayo nag-discuss ako ng aking hydrating and purifying sheet mask. Ayan. And ito nga, sa mga bagong dating din, combination ng dalawang CSR lipstick natin na sobrang ganda. Kung hindi nyo pa ito naabutan kanina, Confident Pink and Hopeful Lilac. Ayan po siya. Tapos kinumbine ko siya sa lips. Ang ganda din ng effect. Ayan. Okay, pakita ko pa sa inyo, ladies. For June, alam nyo ba, when you just have at least 10,000 order for personal sales section 1, you can get this for free. Okay? Meron ngayon si Mary Kay na yan, Time Wise Moisture Renewing Gel Mask for free. Less discount ka pa doon, syempre. Meron kang Replenishing Serum C na yan, na mini size. And also, you have the Oil-Free Makeup Remover Mini Stick. Okay, ayan. Ang dami. And of course, 18K gift, we have the Hydrogel Eye Patches. Yan. Para sa mga team puyat, this is really, really good po. Sa mga puyat-puyat palagi. Napakaganda nito. Okay, yan. And of course, wag kakalimutan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, diba, ating box. Naka-super promo deals ang ating Time-Wise set, basic set. Okay, the cleanser and day cream. Sobrang promo niya ngayon. So, if you are one of our guests na nanonood, may beauty consultant ka, tanungin mo na kung gano'ng ka-sale ang ating Time-Wise 3D Basic Set ngayon. So, meron na tayo agad for normal to dry skin, pag pink, and meron tayo ulit for combination to oily. Again, pag violet. So, perfect mo itong i-partner. Combination to oily, i-upsell mo na siya. Padagdag mo na tong purifying sheet mask sa kanya. Kasi combi to oily. Okay? Pag ikaw naman ay normal to dry skin, i-upsell mo na by adding this two-step hydrating sheet mask. O, diba? Ganda ng mga bagong product natin. Ayan po. And I would like to thank Mary Kay as well. Ang dami niyong binigay na freebies. Diba? Baka mapahaba pa tong ating video din. Ito pa, diba? Ang dami mga free na binigay. So, I also ordered this Shea Lotion and Scrub. Sobrang ganda nito ngayong summer season. Kung ikaw ay, alam mo yun, parang feeling mo na ang init sa katawan, gusto mong soft and smooth as well, yung dalawang ganito, the scrub and lotion, are perfect combination. The Shea Satin Body Scrub and Satin Lotion. Okay? And of course, we got our, yan, Mary Kay umbrella, and also our Rose Quartz Facial Roller. Ang daming pa free ni MK. And we have the Mary Kay bags. Yay! Daming freebies na gusto ko din i-share sa inyo, ladies. And hindi lamang yon, meron pa tayong mga other products na nandito. Mga bestseller natin. Clear Proof, Lumivee, the Buy One, Take One. Yan, Lip Locker Set. So, we still have those kind of promos this month. Okay, yan. So, thank you, Mary Kay, sa lahat ng pa-free. Meron pa nga akong isang box doon na may bag, tumbler, and also additional bag na naman. So, thank you sa lahat na nagsosupport sa unit ko and also Gems and Wonders. And I know, sa mga co-sales force ko, yan, marami din sila nakuha ang freebies from Mary Kay. So, with that, yan, bago tayo mag-end sa ating FB Live today, mine na yung pink bag. Ayan, may na ang pink bag na napakaganda. Ngayong summer season, we also have this sun milk as well. Ayan, thank you sa pa-free na to. Ayan, mga naka-promo pa din. Meron din pa rin nag-ask sa akin, Miss Gem, how about melasma, dark spots? Ayan, this is really recommended. The Mary Kay Lumi V Intensive Serum. Okay? Sobrang ganda talaga nito. I really suggest. Ask your beauty consultant how can you avail one. Okay? So, yan. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo again ang ating favorite na furniture for today. The Mary Kay Foaming Bubble. Ayan, Foaming Bubbles Purifying Sheet Mask. Again, the Mary Kay Hydrating Sheet Mask. Okay? And of course, the Confident Pink and Hopeful Lilac. Ganda talaga nito, no? Natutuwa ako sa kanya. Tingnan niyo siya, oh. Tingnan niyo yung color niya. You can go for the light pink and go for the lilac. You can never go wrong with Mary Kay shades. Sobrang dami talaga ating mga magagandang products in Mary Kay. Every month, nagle-level up talaga. Yan. Okay, so after this, I will now try this purifying sheet mask. Sobrang exciting. Ayan, papakita ko lang ulit sa mga humabol. Ganito yung itsura ng ating foaming bubble purifying sheet mask na ililive on for 15 to 20 minutes sa ating face. And actually, Sir Gian told us kanina na pwede na siyang diretso na hindi naglamos. But in the instruction as well, you can do this after cleansing your face na first step. And then saka mo to ililive on. So, ayan siya. Exciting! So, mamaya, yan yung gagawin ko after this FB Live. Tayo'y mag-get and ready with me na. So, ladies, for this June, please don't miss all these promotions and new products. Sabi ko nga, every month, lagi may pasabog si Mary Kay. And you can ask your sales director, your recruiter, or your beauty consultant, how can you avail all these products? And kung gusto mo naman maging beauty bestie and more freebies, yan, you can be a beauty bestie as well. And syempre, if you want to be a happy customer, you can just ask the beauty consultant na nag-invite sa'yo. Or if you don't have one, you can message me then. Okay? So, thank you again for watching this FB Live. It's just a 30 minutes na because na-excite akong i-unbox sa mga new products sa inyo. For the complete product demo and review of this sheet mask, yan, sa aking vlog, i-upload ko siya para sa aking actual application. Okay? So, sino sa inyo again ang magta-try na nito ng purifying sheet mask, foaming bubble purifying sheet mask? Or sino naman itong mag-try ng hydrating sheet mask? Okay, so comment na lang kayo ladies kung ano mga bagong products ang nagustuhan nyo ngayong month. And, syempre, kung may questions kayo, just feel free to ask me. Just message me po. You can ask me after this video. So, thank you again for watching. Don't forget this CSR lipsticks as well. Thank you again for watching, ladies. You may check my YouTube channel, Gems and Wonders, for more video as well. So, thank you again. Wow, thank you po, Dr. Mane. Thank you to my members as well. Ayan. Hi, Raquel. This is yours. Ayan na, toning body lotion. Kailangan natin magpalit ng mga braso at legs at tiyan. Ayan, si baby nandun. Pero kung nag-stretch marks, okay na okay itong gamitin. O, diba? So, good night, everyone. And God bless us all. Thank you, Tita Marita, as well. Bye, everyone.